Good morning everyone. This is Neil from grade 7. I am here to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday and the date is 21st July 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all, this is Poshak Sharma from grade 7. Every Monday we observe Motivational Monday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share a motivating thought. The thought is, sometimes you have to go up really high to understand how small we really are. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. I am Darshika from grade 7.
I am Janvi from grade 7.
This is Julie Jamada from grade 7.
Today we are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today was the day in history when Neil Armstrong stepped his foot on the moon, becoming the first human to do so. Talking about Neil Armstrong's historic moonwalk. On July 21, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step his foot on moon, and this was the part of NASA's Apollo 11 mission.
Then started the space race, establishing a Cold War rivalry between USA and USSR. USSR launched Sputnik and sent Yuri Gagarin into space in 1961.
Now the important question comes: what they did on the moon? Collected moon rocks and soil, set up experiment like the lunar seismic experiment, planted American flag.
Their return journey to the Earth. Apollo 11 returned safely on July 24, 1969. The mission lasted for 8 days. We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that be curious and creative and work hard for your goals. Last but not the least, think big and aim for the stars.
May we always be curious, fearless and ready to learn, like the astronauts who made history.
Thank you.
Thank you and have a nice day.